After all these things, share the EYEBR. Now, Yanko Yenim stories in the Dawson. There is another very good team. Yes, Yanko Yenim. A year Assembly. Stop the politics and pay us now. Cocoa farmers tell government. Obi can Eric J. Asem. Obi said Eric J. will be the first NDC appointee to stab the NDC in the back. Eric J. I've met him once. Recently, I'm about Ghana, a very nice person. But what this person is saying might be true. So he needs to check himself. Eric J., you cannot please everybody in politics. Oh, I'm telling you. I met him one-on-one recently when I was in Ghana. A very nice person. You know, very accommodating, down-to-earth guy, talks to everybody, you know. Even though it was the first time I met him, very, very nice person. But I believe that the Nipa way can no crack a crowd. So you need to sit well. Politics is not about what will come out from your mouth. It is your posture. It is your posture. And when I say it's your posture, it is the people you talk to, you mingle with, and how you behave. It can go a long way to affect your political life. And there's one thing I've learned in politics. You can't please both sides. NPP for me enemies. But I will not give them room to enter my territory. I don't do that. NPP are enemies. But I know the kind of people I'm dealing with, so I don't allow them around me. It does not mean I hate them. No. Politics is about posture. It's about how you position yourself. It's about when you are given the chair to sit, whose plate you pick your food from. Very critical. And if somebody is saying that some of the appointees, and you, Eric J., you are one of the ones who will stab NDC in the back, then the person is actually advising you. And you should take this advice. Because there are so many people in the NDC, but it may be today, dear, I'm not making sense. Maybe I don't have what you people have. Maybe I don't have the executive position you people have or what you see today. But my words and what we do here goes a long way. It sometimes decides destiny of people in politics. Our work, it can decide the destiny of people in politics. People's political destiny, what we do, can decide it. It's media. If somebody is saying something like this, you have to be careful. All you disappointees, if you know the things that is out there, said about you out there, can majority of you people will position yourself well. You will sit well. Your posture will be different. That's what I'm saying. Obi Neka, and I'm saying maybe it might be true. I've met you one-on-one. You didn't show me any attitude. You didn't show me any arrogance. You are a very nice person. But hey, people know people. And people have reasons why they say some things. Now this story. Farmers say stop the politics. Stop the politics and pay us now. Cocoa farmers tell government. Now it's a story, no? It is a whole shake caption now. Obagin say, hey, cocoa for. I can just say, Ghana for one story. Sebio men kind caption, kind story, no? You understand where the story is coming from. City News for a report here, Gabi Ochedakun's radio station. Young cocoa farmers. Young cocoa farmers across Ghana are expressing growing frustration over delays in receiving payments for cocoa beans they sold several months ago, calling on the government to release funds owed to them. Young cocoa farmers. Who are they? These are Jandam stories, so Jandam group of liars. Then you go on, it says, in a press release dated the 12th of March 2026, the Young Cocoa Farmers Association Young Cocoa Farmers Association NPP the omo Jimmy Bruta makami bia me say omo nim nyansa o ade we ya na omo ye omo de gabi ochidako radio station city Bernard Avlemo Sames, that guy who is going around molesting girls in Ghana, Sames Sakwano. Look at the story, read the story into take caption because hey, stop politics and pay us. Cocoa farmers tells government. Oh, caption no. But who wagon nimwa? Young Cocoa Farmers Association of Young Cocoa Farmers. Omne why mo? Yes, someone releases statement. Say I bind to your moka. No mu beans no matoma abine no. Abine in person betia. Who are the young cocoa farmers? Why? The older ones they are dead. Who are the young cocoa farmers? Where are the old cocoa farmers association? You see, this is what they do. Enti amofa caption say ya ubu Paul Adomo Chekwasi campaign you know. Now Akofa Ghana Today, a fake news outlet. Now they are to the show so now all projective fake news. Then you sit there and you watch that clown, that fool who will go and pick Ghana Today. Ghana Today is fake news. It is put together by Ekwasefua. It is put together by that guy. Ghana Today. It is being operated by Akosua. NETO'S say Ghana no. That is Ghana Today. Paul Adomochi will pick Ghana Today, knowing perfectly that it is fake news. He will put it on Metro TV and tell Ghana, say, look at the news. That is the NPP. That is what they do. Now Paul Adomochi kwasia we catch us or a legitimate journalist for Ghana. Na kwasia man a chance not the TV so. A Zoom lion. Ono no who don't find the sika anya no dam Ghana odin kwasia sam. Na nkasa ade we keda hu na TV so. A Zoom lion. A Zoom lion. Sa papa no oni do for the sika anye. E na order the sika pushing kwasi asem wo Ghana. And ntina we isi. So this young cocoa farmers free. Now look at this. Look at this. Cocoa Board. Cocoa Board releases 4.2 billion to clear cocoa farmers arrears. So where is this coming from? Cocoa Board is paying. Cocoa Board has released 4.2 billion. The question here is, who has denied that this is not true? So why do we allow media houses, Jandam, and Kwasiasam to make people think, anytime catch a Ghana phone be, and I understand, and I feel you, and I understand your concern when you get emotional. I respect your position, but when you get too emotional, you allow the Jandam and the liars to take you off track. You have the right to be angry about stuff, but even in your anger, you need to be very focused. That is the thing that has to define you, differentiate you from any other person. You can be emotional, you can be angry, you can feel pissed off, but even in that process, you need to understand that there's work to do, and that work to do is to look for the facts before you make utterances or you make your utterances or make your statements. So anybody, as we speak today, 4.2 billion has been released. Even today, we saw Cocoa Board to supply 27,000 sprayers, 89,000 PPEs to cocoa farmers. So who are young cocoa farmers? Young cocoa farmers are saying they have not been paid. This is NPP making. That is what they do. There's nothing like Young Cocoa Farmers Association. It's a lie. They are fake group. They are criminals. They don't exist. But you see, they want to throw all these things in the system. Cocoa Board, they are doing their job. They are helping the farmers. They are paying the monies. On says here MPP for they are jumping from one thing to the other. Says here no, why? They have left the cocoa issue. They have finished the cocoa issue. Now they are back. They are going to where? They are going to MAHAMA'S flight. Now, they don't even know where to start and where to end. Oh, and the Omoka Cocoa Asem, Adiabechi, almost MAHAMA flight. The next day, almost recruitment. And the Omaba, they don't know what to do. They are just stupid. But Cocoa Board is paying. PPEs are being supplied. We are talking about supplying of sprayers. This is what the government is doing. Tomorrow they are on electricity. Adiachi they are on Sewa Bruni. The next day they are on Lumba. The following day, MPP Omo Jimmy, they don't know what to do again. They are a foolish group of people. They are a group of foolish people. Now here. Okay. You see this? Cocoa farmers in Ashanti threaten demo over possible price cuts. Data show 11th of March. Me say MPP 4% mudin kwasi asema de bi om statifra santimemu. Because MPP as a party no, omunim sa santifoni bi ejimi. They know it. Cocoa farmers in Ashanti region nkwa. You see cocoa farmers in Ashanti region some ko demonstration. Adan ati cocoa bo so. Me say MPP 4 so omo be start omo jimi a omo start no asantimemu. If we say omo timu no asantifoni bi ejimi. That is why they are doing this. Now, are you surprised about this? No. Why? Because you know that the MPP does not respect Asante 4. And they will use some of them. And it is never going to stop. As far as Adwa Bini Woho the MPP will always get away with murder by getting some of Asante 4 to use them. Because at the end of the day, they are not going to help Asante 4. And they are going to take some of the Asante 4 to use them. And it's me say, Sebio eyeden aboatan wo na wo hia santini a wagimi a ku asantini a wagimi na ansa na waku wo because we're dangerous. And that is what the MPP does all the time. Mi bu asantifo pa otumfo ya menana ne chanchan hene me. But some of Yanya Santifodi be among MPP Jimmy Yano, and then they do some time. Na nipa bi to be translated. Adentina de bia yama MPP for chance. And when we use Santifoni be, why is it always like that? It is because Yanya numni be ama ye ho kwan. Inti si ene asantiphobia omuye koko ekuafo se omunkwa de koko kana yetua no omunhu ye ti koko se yetua omo kana omunhu ye omo ko demonstration ye twan mu. Yes, so we probably show. Nobody is going to beg anybody. Ya person we demonstration no. Mun yi mo dross na mon fa mo tuntwi fom. Na mon ka otumfo ntam kese engu Ghana so. Eno na ye twen obi ampa obi acho. Na mo in the first place na to abama hwan. Me say mo asantifo ni bi na mo ye kokko ekuafo na mo asantimemu no. Ah mo so mo be demonstration mun yi mo to ho. Mun dwa mo to. Mumbama hem na mometina kagitia na montwe moto ase se monti ase ya behwe mo monsamfa otumfo ntam kese nto so e de nsamfo no ya brem o ya nsuso bia so biem. Me say I am supporting the demonstration. Do the demonstration. Monka muhungu yurem monin Nketia mpiepie wie ekrom na monye demonstration monye ye kire e de na manye o Ghana ha. Ediana mumu bi manye under MTC time adum soba ya MAHAMA'S solve dum sa AKUFO ya papa AKUFO ntuma solve yete ha ana AKUFO esma sofo nkobon pai wa akosombo MAHAMA ba ya solve dum so ye hu mo emu nkora ne mpenifo mo asantifo ne bi mo ba mahemu yimodu fugu so etwi mo to ase na ye sikajetia the same time amo ye ni mumu bi enti demonstration mo nko obi ampa obi achaw obi amfa ne nsa ntu ne nsa yemu da Ghana ni obepa mo chaw no na wagimi monko demonstration no montwe moto ase monfa ntam kese nto so ni anhwe de obewu first edie siko fancy ene selective eye ahoya no edie no edie na de ba enti woka say ekuafo kokofo mo asantimemu nti na enyina ho popo na yes we de omo ntoma ye na me say obi anka so ohia vote koko no Ivory Coast for ba wo Unya ready say obeton koko na Ivory Coast for ready. Your Ghana koko ekuafo a omobo abana baso. E kira aban say sebio omo de omo ready. Tina ya teso no omo gitum. Omo pese Ivory Coast for beba abeton mo koko wa hanti. Omo de omo ready.
Ya frame Ebenezer Obin Ejakon dodo na frame Obi. Na me nani maja omo ye kuafo. Sesei omo mre yem. Eti mi amegina yi na me hwe omachi ede ema wom koko adwuma ɛyɛ adwuma a ɛno ana me nanim agya ɔmo de atete yɛn yɛyɛ enipa nsia na ebu bi ɛwɔ akwantuom me na me wa hanom a mehwɛ ɛyɛ ɔmo koko no ɛma wɔn ne edi kan mɛda ɛyɛ ɔmampani ase ɛsɛ wadwen ɛyɛ Ghana akuafoɔ ho titiriw ɛne koko foɔ ɛyɛ price yi a ɛba yi a nipa bebree na ɛka sɛ ɛnteso a ɛba yɛ no ɛha no nokure nie ɛha nanso so yɛmusa sɛ ɛba ne sɛn yate so ɛwɔ amonone menyi ni sɛ nia ɛba yi aban biara ɛbɛtimi atɔ no sɛ ne na ɔtɔ no kane no and se yɛhwɛ the whole Africa baabi a ɔmo di koko adwuma pa Ghana ɛka ho Cote d'Ivoire ɛka ho wohwɛ a Ghana ɛna koko ɔmo tɔ no yie ɛde ma yɛn ɛna me no kasa ukɔ Cote d'Ivoire ɛyɛ sɛ ne yɛtɔ no ɛwɔ Ghana hanom no metimi aka sɛ yɛbu mu mienu a ɛna Cote d'Ivoire ɛyɛ ɔmo nya emu baako kane no aban bi a na ɔte so ɛyɛ NPP aban na nipa dodoɔ na atimi de koko fi akɔ Cote d'Ivoire akɔtɔn eti nipa dodoɔ na ɛyɛ complain no mɛsrɛ wɔn so ɔmo hwɛ na surprise we no ɛmmoa wɔn a ɔmo fa nkɔ Cote d'Ivoire na ɔmo nkɔtɔn me a mesa kasa mi nua a medi n'akyi ɔwɔ amonone na medi ne nnwuma bebree ɛde ma no enwuma a meyɛ ɛde ma no bi yɛ ɛdan a mesi last 2 years a me start sɛ mesi dan no iron rod me turn no tons me turn 9,600 ɛna me no kasa yi ɛyɛ 6,200 eti sɛ wo sɛ ɛntesoɔ no a aba no a kane no na ohia koko bag miɛnsa ɛna de atɔ iron rod ɛyɛ 1 ton bɛnɛ koko bag mienu ɛne kakra bi ɛbɛtɔ ɛde ama wo obenya mfasoɔ ɛwɔ kyerɛ bebree ebi mu complain sɛ atoto large bay kakra na ɛka kyerɛ no yetua ɛme yɛsɛnya bi ɛde to provisions ma yɛ manom ɛde ko school yɛnya bi ɛde yɛ ɛnneɛma bebree eti yɛbɛsrɛ ɔmapani yɛgu so a yɛkɔ yɛnim sɛ edwama nso so ɔmotum a wososo yɛn akuafoɔ wobɛkae no ahwɛ na watum 70% na wode ama yɛn akuafoɔ no yɛni agye eti adesrɛdeɛ baako a yɛsan de srɛ ɛsɛ ɛyɛ yɛmansi mu a brimrɔfo anom mpanifo a do matoto ɛyɛ agric sector na no ɔmo yɛ dwumaden ɛde boa yɛn akuafoɔ koko mass spraying abire dudu yɛ no ɔmo hwɛ egu so de ma yɛn adeɛ baako ehia ɛyɛ fertilizer ɛde enuro anonom enuro no so ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo mɛhwɛ no mu so ɛmfa ma yɛn eti yɛbɛda ɔmampani ase ɛsɛ wadwen akuafoɔ
koko akuafoɔ mo asantime mu nyɛ nipa nkyɛn wɔ mu ni wa brimfo mu koko akuafoɔ mo asantime mu nyɛ nipa nkyɛn kofo wi mu ndua koko nkyɛn ɔmo mu nya ade hye nkyɛn wɔ mu enti wontumi tena asantime mu kasa koko akuani nti because of wunti yɛn hye Ghana mo fa mo tunsi fo na mo twi mo to ase we mu so koko akuafoɔ ɔmo so yɛ Ghanafoɔ ɔmo so tua light bill te sɛmoa ɔmo so tua school fees te sɛmoa ɔmo so tɔn ɔmo koko te sɛmoa enti mesrɛ mo nya nipa nkyɛn obi wɔ asantime mu sɛ yɛyɛ koko akuafoɔ yɛ wɔ asantime mu yɛbɛyɛ demonstration yɛbie mu nkɔ ɔkyena no patututu munyi mo ton mo de mo nkyɛre ho na mo yi mo dufu egu so na mo yi mo ton na mo twi mo to ase mo de nkyɛ mo nya na ɔkyena na yɛntwamra TV ze sia so de social media nti yɛde camera no bɛkɔ fam mumbutu fam na mo yi ma hem yɛbɛtwa akyerɛ wiase mo gye sɛ mo tuma hunahuna obi na deɛ ɔkasa no ɔnyɛ koko guani ɔno so nya Ghana ni amano no bo no ɔno so ɔwu bi mo gye sɛ saa tete na yɛde ɛwɔ asantime mu yɛyɛ koko akuafoɔ ɛne yɛ ma ban ne mpere obia mo pa mo ntoma ba nyina ma MPP ɛde nsɛm hunu no ade na sɛ mo mu nipa bi ma mo sɛ mo yɛ nipa kyɛn nipa bi na ebiribufoɔ no ɔmo mo nya nipa abrante ɔkasa yi ɔno ɔnyɛ koko ni bi ana ɔno ɔkyenkyereɛ saa nsɛm hunu no mo bi mo ntwitwa so ne yɛnkɔ yɛnim saa na mokɔfa ekua kya bɛgyina sɛ ekua kya bɛsi ɔnka sɛ dum saba ɛna mahama saa concept na nyɛ adwuma biem
ekua kya metetafo na me baton fish ɛwɔ asafo market ya me bɛ wa no hwɛ me da bia no pa me so dia ɔyɛ ntema me awia ne ama me ɛtɔ afufu anwuma so ne asɛbo me efiri sɛ dum so ba me ba no fish adaka duasa ne akɔto agu kwa eti na me ba no wonya sika ma me na me de didi efra no pa me ba ha me ni di yo eno anis bodo se hwan ana me du ha no mato bi die me ba nya sika ma me wo bo se ante se de adwuma no nya dum so yi abrewa de me na ye aye nyina firi dum so me ti asi me de me sum ho de mu ya ansa me da fom birim mama adai adia ni aye maye wo abrewa ti wo ma me wonte se me a mama mi huna ma ni sei me te me we demonstration me kon ma ko kama sam to a kire mama no hu me mabo na dum so wo nya na me ba ti me tan fishi wonya sika matari ani adi ana ma ba bibia ne be te se NDC fo na sisei MPP fo sisei na nti wo mama MPP fo no ne ne kura nyina ya MPP de wa mo beka ana nkrofo yo de ya ne kura nyina MPP me bati yesi ba bi de etobo engomodi anu makobu agu ni pa kura mu bugu ya wa de wa aboa what one ne dai obi agu agu wonya demonstration bibi a mo se MPP fo na ye de se ne ye woni pa wo woni pa che mo dia ene ye fe mu nsore so ndi mama se wontimi a wo nya bon eno ase me na me ka ye so me boa no wonya amade obetimi betena ho no wo hwe na mere wa ye mobo me bati yesi ba bi de etobo engomodi anu makobu agu ni pa kura mu bugu ya wa de wa aboa what one ne dai obi agu agu wonya demonstration bibi a mo se MPP fo na ye de se ne ye woni pa wo woni pa che mo dia ene ye fe mu nsore so ndi mama se wontimi a wo nya bon eno ase me na me ka ye so me boa no wonya amade obetimi betena ho no wo hwe na mere wa ye mobo
say ya na MPP omo politics o say ya na omo politics. This is the typical MPP for you. Omo politics and say ya omo politics dey say no omo politics. And omo change say ya omo de mrewa enkokora say bi sometimes abodamfo or say ya no ye we ya omo tumi kofa amanfo ma adwunu ka omo no omo be kansam omo yoro omo de makobo chen mu I say ya 1992 Kufo strategy ni bia na otwita Africa na omu di nechi giant nyedi nemu akufo ade de ondi yokogareda ene akufo ade papa wosika enso no sebio Manasseh na autistic ena Bawumia or economist Bawumia the proponent and exponent onimwiase bibia the money is there I've got a bag of Ghana en kwasi asem say ade bedu a omu politics ni omu ni any strategy bia biem asa omu a dangerous opposition fucking hey MPP MPP omo a dangerous opposition because omo to me abodamfo nyina campaign MPP bet my demonstration akwa abodamfo abegu ain o to tua abodamfo omo to tua abodamfo ka say ye kwa demonstration mo be kan ho MPP omo campaign ani o from ende call they say no mu gina kokomu no mu gina nsuom no mu yese na abrewa bi kasa ene yewu ene me say ni enim de enye say ya de bia no mu invite minim si bia omo recruit abeyfo ne agimifo ne abodamfo MPP before was some very good strategy the way they are able to identify they are able to recruit minim si bia process no mu koma omo to recruit abodamfo hwe obi te say eye salakao I don't know how they are able to recruit psychological patients. Which will be to say, Abronye, the way they are able to get mad cow disease boys. Like, they have a certain nice way of recruiting mad people. And it is a party when it is in opposition, its recruitment level, the way they are able to recruit daft people, it's unimaginable. And sometimes you ask yourself, say, Omo the saying, MPP got talent, and I say, Omo the woody man, I say, omuye ni wure mana because you know ye nim bebia na sanko for free season bia omunya bi de ba you see almost season 26 MPP got talent we Jimmy for mo release you nanzen almost season 26 MPP got talent in your team we Akosua benu hwe salakao hwe abronye hwe koka hwe sanko hwe de mo release fancy comedy akwa friend say our friend saying say Obama she nipo no mo release no uko YouTuber minim say season 26 no over recruit yo say die yo just omo Jimmy party a we wia so mutumi recruit abodam for your campaign momo MPP got talent me so mo season 26 na me my research na am still you to me get to the bottom of it and Chebi almost releasing another group. And Chebia, you will see them bringing up new group of penguins. Poyando. Na a whole party to say MPP. You say Poyando ne kasama ya wasantimemu. Na Poyando odi ranka for 10 minutes na upi na okoba. Difference bend between Poyando and Momodao. Abronye, odi abronye di wechi akwa anka for some kosra obi. Na by mistake mure fini akagate na to no say bia. Omo munam anka for no. Difference bend the one aye abronye muni omo. They say the way they are able to discover talent, you know. MPP got talent in there. Me dream one. Any one of the creditor me the momo. The piglets. Now, Shadi, we dem the film keke because some are fasting. We MPP for we are fasting. You see MPP for free power no. Zongo Development Fund no. Omuja 221 Ghana peru. Edi chechi obia koji. Allah wa butro. MPP got talent. Shageli wa ise buntia utia for me. Hwane nan bi etuatua ho. Na utimi ko hu na sa ayi utumu ma bi no de MPP chi TikTok kan kwase asem. Sa ga tie be nim ni din de nim sabosum bai de otua for me. Na wo sho ba na etuatua form I say champion via enyini. Won we champion via enyini da. Enyini kwa na I say champion via enyini. Na sometimes we show me who take them say and we are go recruit say. Dina Samoa. Je party no. Party ko hia no mo ye rally a ne ye de Mike ama Dina Samoa. O study ye hu yana. Dina Samoa. On the tonyo ma on kronkron begu MPP so on na my so titi atachemu. Na MPP no wajimi yana. Mo majimi mo mbu gara fo ana. Asa mo mbu ye say jimi ana. Ha? Ana mo ye say asa ye nipa ana. Na moko se bibia na mo de aba. Tie on na nam nipa na asi. Asa champion via enyini. Won we champion via enyini straight enyini kwa na kekesi ani. Na ade we di nam nipa na ase. Jay-Z ya concert wa Ghana chire gina na social Jay-Z. Everything. O de we enko enim. Me minim omudimpo. Na ya si omo ya sala MPP for omo nom di Zongo Development Fund by sen kombe mwamba Zongo gina na aso. Omo kono omo ja 221 Ghana the two and omo nyina nkwasiafo MPP eye nkremofo so omo ya sala nkwasiafo we MPP nkremofo ni bi omo jibi bruta. And then nkwasiafo we omo se eye nkremofo e MPP mu omo so omo di Zongo Development Fund by and then no ka say omo kono omo ja 221 Ghana per the two accounts mu and omo so omo ye chiriwia omo ye azumi MPP nkremofo no ewurade nyankopon na nyankopon no wabotre na nko butu osepe na nko de pentoa ka Bawumia se okofo mala wa ko butu ya na omoto pa pentoa odi pentoa na nke dia won to nyame dia won to ohunhum sanko se fo we MPP for ewurade nyankopon omunim nyansa MPP Got Talent season 26 episode 3. Waba biemo waba MPP Got Talent. Hey, where dey? If you're a kwam jogoto, Mr. Papa, easy waba fresh. MPP Got Talent. Wabo na waba. From now I felt the mean. Season 26, chapter 3. Na sano si no afa buntu no ojina ni penyim. Besi aba wa de buntu okasa. Iwuna. Ada champion fie. Na wohu obiti da na samwa. Wa da confirm ne ba na ewa. Shobi ti say sala nenji. No no so po ti da bronye. NPP. Season 3. MPP Got Talent and ode team. Agwa madam famo bitia me ya. Yeah, yes, sure. And there's something here we need to talk about. Hey, how many minutes? We've done 3 hours, 7 minutes. And we should not forget. And I got information from some residents around Katamansu area said this man Afote Agbo The criminal is out of chains now. I've told the President of the Republic of Ghana, Mr. President, this guy is a criminal. You should not allow this guy to be on the board of Lands Commission. Mr. President, I am never going to stop saying this. This guy, Afote Agbo Oyekronfo, today he sent his boys, his criminal boys, the Van Damme, the killer, the murderer, to go back to Nsasiniso to threaten people again. This guy, I dared him to bring documents out. Say he's the title holder of the land that he claims he owns. He is a criminal. Afote Agbo is a thief. Baby he's a dangerous man. He's a thief. He's sending that guy called Van Damme. Van Damme is also another criminal. I played a video of Van Damme here. Van Damme is a murderer. And he works for Afote Agbo. Today, this man has started his nonsense again. He has started his nonsense again. He went into hiding. I dared him to come out with a press conference to show documents that the lands he's saying he's selling to people, tormenting people, brutalizing people, all boom call for. He should come and show us one document that his name, his family is the title holder of the land. He could not do it. He's a criminal. Recently, I saw a video of this criminal speaking and screaming and warning MPP, NDC appointees. A thief like Afote Agbo has the audacity and moral right to speak against an NDC appointee. A read is a way. Afote Agbo is a criminal. He has no moral right to even advise a dog. He's a land thief. Mr. President Mahama, take this man off the board of Lands Commission, or else you will not rest, and I will not rest. Why are you entertaining a thief like this on the Lands Commission? And then you tell us that we should sit and watch this? Mr. President, Afote Agbo is a land criminal. He's a thief. He's using murderers to go after people who are innocent. He has no land title to his name or whatever a chief he says he is. He's not a chief. He has not been gazetted by anybody. This fool, this criminal is out there again devouring people, going after legitimate people. A criminal, we have dared him to come out with his own documents to prove that he is a title owner of any land. This man, Afote Agbo Oyewi. And Mr. President, until you take this man off the board of Lands Commission, I will never stop saying this. Until you take this man off the board, the criminality Afote Agbo is committing at the Lands Commission. He is using boys, people at the Lands Commission, and entering the system and changing names of people's lands. Why? Why are we allowing such a criminal to be parading in Ghana? And the NDC is sitting there for such dirty criminals to be using their names and telling people we are NDC. Are we crazy as NDC? Mabobodam. Can't you disassociate yourself from such a thief? What credibility does this guy have? Why is he not coming out to say he holds title to any of the land he says he's the chief on? A thief like Afote Agbo, we have allowed this criminal to be fooling in Ghana. Now he's using thugs, criminals, murderers like Van Damme, attacking people in broad daylight. People who are genuinely developing their land, developing their investment. This fool Afote Agbo, that is what he has been doing. This fool has kids here in America. He cannot even take care of them. A fool like this. I'll come and show you the family picture. This fool is walking around. A fool like Afote Agbo. A criminal like him. Today, he started tormenting people. He started again tormenting people. He went into hiding, and that is the only way he makes money. He has no investment. He's only bullying people in Accra, taking their land, stealing their land. Mr. President, I swear to God, if you don't change this guy, me and you, we not going to be nice. This guy needs to leave the Lands Commission. This guy needs to leave the Lands Commission. He's a criminal who does not have to be on the Lands Commission. If you say you are resetting this nation, a thief like Afote Agbo should not be on the Lands Commission board. Why are you doing this, Mr. President? Why are you allowing this to go on? Why are you allowing criminals like Afote Agbo to be sitting on the Lands Commission board? We know his track record. The facts are there. He could not come out to defend himself with any land title that he has been holding and distracting people with. He's using thugs, criminals, Murderers to go after people. All in the name that I am some chief at Katamanso. Who gazetted him? Who gazetted this criminal Afutagbo and made him a chief? Recently, I heard him. I saw some video. I said, now Afutagbo, Anosa, and I made there was say, come and show us your land title. You could not do it. A thief like him, a criminal like this guy. Or you did threaten appointees. Appointees should work. And Mahama, this guy is a criminal. Do not allow him to come close to the NDC. Why are you entertaining such criminals, Mr. President? Why are you entertaining such thieves, such criminals? Why? And the police are allowing this fool to be moving around in Ghana and disturbing people. Afutagbo ye kromfo, and I will never stop speaking on this guy until the right things are done. So you the people in the NDC, are you associating yourself with such a criminal? Are you people not scared? Are you people not scared? Akwawe, we used to me your hene, we bunko for bebre Ghana. And he's still doing it. And today the NPP will get something to say about you, Mr. President, because you have allowed this criminal to sit on the board of Lands Commission. Why don't you want to listen, Mr. President? Why are you people still allowing this fool to sit on the Lands Commission? This guy is a tyrant. This guy is a land guard. Afutagbo is a land guard. Afutagbo, he is a land guard. We cannot allow that to go on in Ghana, Mr. President. Mr. President John Mahama, we cannot allow this. This guy is just shooting people, frustrating people in Ghana. In Accra, he owns no land. Why are we allowing this to happen? Mr. President, I'll remind you every day, and I'll remind your government every single day, that this man is a thief who is not supposed to be on the board of Lands Commission. He is a thief. He's just bullying people. He's just bullying people. People are questioning him even about his dad's burial. He cannot give an answer to that. Where did he bury his dad? What killed his father? People are asking him questions that he cannot even answer. Where did he bury his father? Where did he, what happened to his dad to die? What happened to his brother? People are asking him questions. This guy cannot even answer those questions. And you're allowing such a character to sit on the Lands Commission board. Why? Why should this happen in Ghana? Why should Afutagbo be given a chance to be working in Ghana and fooling himself and then adding him and putting him on the board of Lands Commission? Go to Lands Commission and go ask. Nobody likes this guy. He's making their work difficult. This is a guy who is collapsing the Lands Commission. Go there and ask. Go there and ask. You talk to Land Commission workers and they're all like, this man is a thief. And then you still allow this guy to be sitting on the board. Why? And the Ghana Traditional Council, why are you allowing such a person, a filthy liar like this? When you allow people like this to come close to the Traditional Council, that is what gives some people the chance. Recently, I saw this thief go to shake the hand of the Gamanche. I was disgusted. Why should the Gamanche even allow such a criminal, a land thief, a land guard, to even come close to him? I know why we should allow such an honorable king like the Gamanche, allowing a criminal like this to even enter his palace. Afutagbo is a thief. He's a land criminal. He is a land guard. He's a criminal using Van Damme and some boys from Togo. I'm not done with this matter, Mr. President. I am going to stay on this matter every single day. And if it is going to make your government unpopular, I'm going to do it. Mr. President, I'm going to stay on this matter every day. And if that is going to make your government unpopular, I will do it. Until this man is kicked off the board of Lands Commission, I will never allow it to happen. MPP. Do you know the person who made me talk to Afutagbo the first time? I didn't want to say it, but I'll say it today because I want the person to know. The person who introduced me to Afutagbo. I didn't want to say it, but I'll say it today. It was Henry Quarty. Yeah. Anytime I catch an MPP for say, the people I know in your party, you have no idea. It was Henry Korte who introduced me to Afute Agbo to speak to him on phone the first time. So now you understand. It was Henry Korte, former foreign interior minister, Henry Korte, a very good man. So I just don't come sit here and speak about people. And when Henry Korte, an issue came up, Henry Korte, respectfully, told me to talk to this guy because he knows this guy is a truthful person, not knowing this guy is a thief. I questioned Afute Agbo on several occasions. Are you involved in land guard issues? Are you taking people's land? Are you beating people up? Are you using Van Damme? That was when Afute Agbo told me that MAHAMA'S was the criminal that we should go after. He does not even know MAHAMA'S. I didn't know that MAHAMA'S was Afute Agbo's cousin. He lived in the same house with. This man is a thief. This man is a thief. He's a criminal. Nobody on earth should believe this criminal. You people, do you know what I know in Ghana? When I stay on somebody, I have my reason for staying on them. If I know more of them than you in the MPP. There are so many of them, I talk to them and I make them know. More MPP, some Jimmy, Jimmy. More MPP, Jimmy. You don't understand. And let me tell you, Afute Agbo is a dangerous man or a dangerous guy. He wouldn't hesitate to hurt you. He wouldn't hesitate a minute. Afute Agbo, Esma Van Damme, Manu kutu chani pati sabua. Afute Agbo. He would never hesitate a second. Or a fucking guy. So don't underestimate Afute Agbo. Mr. John Mahama, that guy, take him off the Lands Commission board. Or not sell Lands Commission, no. But if I start to speak in Ghana, there are so many people they will have heart attack at night. We no move. That's why I keep telling people. I keep a very small group of people. I'm very cautious about who I talk to. Because most of you people now, but TikTok, Facebook, the things I know in your party MPP. You have no idea, no small idea. Money. An iota of idea about the things I know about the party. Timikacham said, you will stay in opposition for 41 years. Don't think I'm joking. The last time I warned Samira Bawumia and I warned Afenyomakin, these are two dangerous people. And I've told them, whatever they did, they'll have to receive it in the same taste. I didn't tell us, Abronye, Abronye, so all started to come and defend Samira. May Samira appeal to Achero. Samira called Abronye and warned him not to mention my name. But that will not change anything. It will not change anything. I don't talk that much. What I don't like, I don't like. This guy, I don't like him. This guy is a liar. I have audio record. I have Afute Agbo himself sending me audios, questioning him. He was trying to redirect the matter and making somebody look bad. Or you're real. Or you're comfort. Somebody who can throw his own cousin under the bus to tell me MAHAMA'S is a criminal or in the area assassin. But he was the one using his tax to do it. Me adebakwa mempewa asasi we so asase meko. I hate it. I don't like it. Every time. I don't know why I need a land. For what? If I want to buy a property, I'll buy it. Because automatically when I buy that property, the land belongs to me. So land is the least thing you can use to entice me, Kevin. Never. Adebakwa meninje honi asase, especially asase e Ghana. That is the last thing you can use to entice me. Asase. 1,000 acres when pay. I'm a bedding. That is where Mijina. That is me. Papa we Jimmy or a crown 4. And I will hunt him down till John Mahama takes him off the board. I will hunt him down till he stops what he's doing. I will hunt him down till Sanyoma Bonia or didn't call for intimidating people, beating people, extorting money from people. He stops that. Because that has been something he's been doing for years. I will hunt him down until our behavior will free him. He's a liar. You see this story? NPP. Almost say, Pong. I've done 3 hours, 23 minutes. Damn it. Over 200,000 have registered to be NPP members few hours after unveiling online registration, with millions expected to register by 31st March. Obwa. Obia register. Obwa. The NPP registration has collapsed. The MPs, the Bawumia people, the executives, Omankasa, they have hijacked the register. Nobody is registering. To register 2,000 people. It has collapsed. We are mind games. That 200,000 people have registered. Oh, boah, it's a lie. To register over 2,000 people. Nobody is registering. And the funny thing is, Oma hajaki adiano. Registering we are almost percent nipa fufuro bi abeba amasebe ya beto etia omo at the national executive elections. So everybody is protecting their position because that is the instructions from Bawumia. If you want to keep your position, keep the register. If you allow more people to register, Kennedy Agyapong and his people will register and they will make sure you lose. So the strategy is block everyone from registering. 200,000 or boah. They have not registered even more than 2,000 people. Or boah, there be people they know. Partners were any chairman. Obia de ope. Obia de ope party chairman ni pejini. Nana bi boa. Omo register even more than 2,000. The last time I checked from my source inside the NPP, they had not registered more than 2,000 people. Yes, nationwide. The things I know in the NPP, 99% of mule amudi NPP, you don't have that idea. We are mind games, obwa. 200,000 people, I'm free. I'm going to register away. Now, more system, I bet me holding it 10,000. He's a liar. So 200,000 people are registered by 31st of March. I will see any 30 million. Now, 30 million, Mumbi registered here. He's a liar. He's lying. Nipa 200,000 I register for MPT and Kotuma Bawumia. Abufum. Into also oko enkwasi aforo mugu wuntumi na omutietiem adentina party no enkotie sika ewo radio station omonya announcement every say yadi wuntumi de ebeye me say omo register more than 2,000 people nationwide obi ampe party no Tescon, even the tertiary institutions encourage omo register. They have less than 2,000 people registered. And you see, deliberate imagine you almost say so I'm blocking call for we na so to me win elections now. The another day taba say, oh, those who could not register, come and register. Sata no win. That's what they want to do. They want to use the current members now. They want to use the same people to win the elections for the executives. It's the next plan they have, and they say, oh, so what they are going to do is say, keep register no. No new people are going to come in. Now, elections, then they will come and tell you, say, oh, they know, say, there were some backlogs. Some people could not get on the register. So, I'm say, BM, that's what they are going to do. I'm going to register more than 2,000 people. Party no go. With the things I know, do you know? Forget them. Omo Jimmy, the party, a guno, emba BM.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edu Boahen, Alajete, J.A. AKUFO, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words.